Hi guys, yesterday I got this package and I posted a picture in my Facebook group, Yahoo groups, DARA Robots, and everybody wanted to know what is inside. So let's open this bad boy. Hopefully I don't need to destroy this box. I kind of like it. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. 6 over 8. Seven of 8. 7 of 8. Star Trek. Only people that watch Star Trek will get that one. 7 of 8. All right. Let's see. This upside down. A tray. What do you guys think? You still don't know what it is, or do we need to get closer? It's a lathe. So I can make all the parts in aluminum for DARA. Well, not all of them, but some of them. There's other parts that have to be done on the CNC, and some of them have to be made on a 5-axis CNC, so I will send those out. But it is a lathe. I will set it up in the garage, or I might set it up at my job site. They have more space than what I have in my garage, and they will let me do that. Go ahead and subscribe at YouTube so you can see how I use this next time, and we can talk about the development of DARA Robot and other robots that the whole group discuss. They discuss not just one but few. And join the group in Facebook so you can be part of it. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.